Chapter 6 Tutorial 1. Create a new file. Select model template. Enter the name c06tut1. Create a sketch. Select YZ plane and create the profile for base feature. Select the rectangle tool. Select the from center option. Select the origin. Enter the width as 86 mm and the height as 18 mm. Angle 0. Reduce the size of the dimension. Enter the line. Of the length 60 and angle 0. Make it symmetry about the vertical axis. Edit the dimension to 2 mm. Trim the unwanted curve. Please complete the sketch for our base feature. Finish the sketch. By default, the sketch is selected. Extrude. Select the start value as symmetry and enter the distance 70 mm. Okay. To create the second feature, Select this face for the sketching. Now select the top curve as project curve and include the bottom curve as the reference curve. Now draw the profile for the second feature. Start dimensioning. Edit this dimension to 118. Edit this dimension to 50. Edit this radius as 25 mm. Edit this dimension as 56. Edit the radius as 20. Make it tangent. Similarly, select fillet tool and enter radius 25. This completes our profile for the second feature. Finish the sketch. Extrude and select the value as starting from 0 and end value 12 mm. Reverse the direction and select unite in the Boolean operation. Say OK. Now create the third feature. Create the sketch. Select the circle and draw a circle to diameter 50. Finish the sketch and extrude it to 23 mm. Select to unite in the Boolean operation and say OK. Similarly, create the fourth feature. Draw a circle to diameter 40. Finish the sketch and extrude the sketch to 18 mm. Select the Boolean operation unite and say OK. Now creating the hole in the third feature. Select the hole to select simple and select the custom from the from tool and enter 30 as the diameter. To specify the point, select the circle center. Select the depth limit through body, Boolean operation subtract and say OK. Similarly, create the hole in the fourth feature. Select the custom simple hole. Enter the diameter as 20. Select the center of the fourth feature. Direction normal to face and limit through body, Boolean operation subtract, say OK. And creating the four holes in the base feature. Select the hole. Enter the diameter as 10 mm. Select a point here and edit the dimension to 15 mm. this dimension to 20 mm. Say apply. Similarly, create the other three holes. This dimension 20 mm and this dimension 15 mm. Similarly, create the dimension, edit the dimension to 15 mm and edit this dimension to 13 mm. Edit this dimension to 15 mm. Edit this dimension to 13 mm. And orient view to trimetry. Hide all the sketches. Save the file. Close all parts. This completes chapter 6 tutorial 1.